In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show only RAW, JPG, or video files in Adobe Bridge. Whether you're a photographer sorting through a mix of files or a videographer focusing solely on footage, being able to filter and view specific file types is essential for a smooth workflow. Let's dive into the steps to make this happen. First, you'll want to open Adobe Bridge. If you haven't used Bridge much, it's a powerful tool that helps you manage and view your files in a more organized manner. Once Bridge is open, navigate to the folder containing the files you want to filter. This is where your images, videos, or other documents are stored, and where we'll be applying the filter to display only specific types of files. Before we go further, make sure the filter panel is visible. This is a crucial part of the interface for filtering files. If you don't see it, no worries. Simply go up to the top menu, click on Window, and then select Panels, followed by Filter Panel. This should bring up the panel we need on the right side of your workspace. Now that we have the filter panel visible, turn your attention to finding the category labeled as File Type. It's sometimes also listed as File Type, Extension, or something similar, but it's generally easy to find. It's the section that helps differentiate files based on their formats like PNG, TIFF, MPEG, and so on. Expand this file type category by clicking on it. Here, you will see a list of different file types that are available in your folder. Depending on your needs, you can select the ones you want. If you're looking to show only RAW files, check the boxes next to the extensions you use, such as NEF, CR2, ARW, or DNG. If JPGs are what you're after, simply check the boxes next to .jpg or .jpeg. For those wanting to focus on video files, perhaps for editing or review, you would check video file extensions such as .mov, MP4, and any others that are applicable to your folder. Once you've ticked the relevant boxes for only the file types you wish to see, you'll notice Adobe Bridge goes to work immediately. It will filter your view and hide all other file types, leaving you with just the selected files visible in that folder. This allows for a streamlined experience as you view, organize, or edit your work. By following these steps, managing your projects in Adobe Bridge becomes much more efficient and tailored to your specific needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you with your creative endeavors.